All right, guys, so I'm just making this video for you real quick just to kind of touch on exactly how to continue forward with in 5.6B. So we're talking about the collapse of Rome. So just to recap, you started this lesson yesterday where you kind of brainstormed what are some possible causes of the collapse of the Roman Empire. And then you brainstormed how do we think the collapse of the Roman Empire impacted people. And then you kind of formulated a hypothesis based on those things about what your best guess was as far as what caused the collapse of Rome and how people were affected by it. So today what we're going to do is you guys are going to take a look at 6 different theories about the collapse of Rome. And you're going to plug some information into this graphic organizer here. The document I've attached also is here, so you can see. So there's several theories. 1, 2 here, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So for each of these, what you're going to do is you just kind of summarize what this theory is really saying, and then you're going to kind of give your thoughts about how do you think this particular situation impacted people. So, for example, one says invasion by barbarian tribes. So we kind of summarize the theory here, and then down here we'd say how we think people are impacted by invading barbarian tribes, right? It's probably pretty scary. So that's kind of how you're going to go about that for each theory. After you're done, you got some wrap-up questions here. So based on what we've done over the last couple of days and the last, these 6 theories that you kind of mapped out here, what do you think are really the best theories? What do you think contributed to the collapse of Rome mostly? Okay. And then I ask you to choose 2 of them and why. And then I ask you to choose which theory do you think had the greatest effect on people? So which theory do you think impacted people the most? So choose one of those and explain why. And then basically what you're doing is you're telling me, in the first part of this, you formed a hypothesis, right? After we did a bunch of brainstorming. So I want to know, is your hypothesis correct, partially correct, or incorrect, and why? So you're just going to answer that part of the question here. I do have office hours today, so if anyone has questions or needs help, you could pop in during my virtual office hours, and I'll be happy to help you. So other than that, enjoy the rest of your asynchronous Wednesday, and I'll see you guys back here live tomorrow on Thursday. Have a good one.